In this video, we will first explore why AWS Service Catalog is essential for MLOps success, and then we will dive into a hands-on demo showing you how to automate the provisioning of Sagemaker Studio with ease using Service Catalog. Let's jump right in. Imagine you and a colleague are working as ML engineers at a startup that uses AWS as its cloud platform. In the beginning, it's just two of you and you both have full permissions to launch any AWS resource. Everything runs smoothly because it is manageable with just two people. Now, fast forward a year later, the team has grown to 20 ML engineers, each with full permission to launch any AWS resource. Suddenly, things start getting chaotic. For example, when it comes to provisioning Sagemaker Studio environment, some people might deploy in different regions, choose various storage types and sizes, or configure different training instances. Some environments will be more secured, while others might not follow best practices. Worse yet, some might provision more expensive training instances than the company can afford, causing unnecessary expenses. In short, everything is all over the place, making it hard to manage and maintain environment consistency across the team. This is where standardization becomes crucial. To avoid chaos, you need a system that only allows the launch of pre-approved AWS resources, and that's where AWS Service Catalog comes in. To address this problem, you might bring in an MLOps engineer, or in some companies, a DevOps engineer or IT administrator who is responsible for managing the AWS resources that ML engineers or data scientists can launch. This person, let's call them MLOps engineers, will create and manage products using AWS Service Catalog. In simple terms, they write CloudFormation templates to launch resources such as Sagemaker Studio and organize them into portfolios. A portfolio is like a folder that holds these pre-approved CloudFormation templates, which we refer to as products. The MLOps engineer ensures that each product follows the organization standard, whether it is about security, cost efficiency, or resource optimization. Once the products are set up, the MLOps engineer grants only approved ML engineers or data scientists permission to launch these products. This way, you ensure consistency across the team, reduce risk of errors, and maintain control over what resources are being provisioned. Now, let's dive in and do a quick demo on setting up AWS Service Catalog and launching a Sagemaker Studio environment. First, we navigate to Service Catalog and create a portfolio called ML Team Portfolio. This portfolio will contain a collection of products, also known as approved CloudFormation or Terraform templates that your team or organization can use. Enter portfolio description. I'll leave it blank. Next, enter the portfolio's creator's name and click Next. Now, let's add a product. Under Product List, click on Create Product. Select CloudFormation or Terraform template. I will leave it on CloudFormation because I am using CloudFormation template. Next, enter product name. Enter product description. Enter product owner's name. Under version source, select Use a template file. Next, upload your CloudFormation template. I will go ahead and upload a CloudFormation template that deploys Sagemaker Studio domain and user profile. Feel free to enter any of the optional fields if you want to. I will leave them blank. Then create the product. Now that the product has been created, let's add it to the ML Team portfolio we created earlier. Click on ML Team portfolio, click the Add Product to Portfolio tab, select the Sagemaker Studio product, and click Add Product to Portfolio. This will add the Sagemaker Studio product to our portfolio. Aside from adding products to a portfolio, you can also set up constraints for specific products. For example, you can add a template constraint that restricts end users to only certain instance type when provisioning resources. Another important step in setting up a portfolio is to set up user access. This determines which end user can launch the products in the portfolio. To add access, click the Access tab, click Grant Access. You can grant access at the group, role, or user level. In this case, I will select the user level and grant access to the demo user by selecting Demo User and clicking Grant Access. Now, if I log in as a demo user, I will be able to see the product listed under the Products tab in the AWS Service Catalogue. Now, let's launch this product. First, I will log in as a demo user and navigate to AWS Service Catalogue. I will click on Products, and here you can see the Sagemaker Studio product listed under my products. Select the product and click Launch Product. Enter a name for the product, then click Launch Product. This will initiate the CloudFormation template behind the scenes, which will create a Sagemaker Studio domain and user resource. You can track what resources are being created by going to the Outputs tab and clicking on the values. The creation process takes a while, so let's wait for it to finish. Once it is complete, if we go to the Resource tab, you will see that both the Sagemaker Studio domain and user have been successfully created. Now, let's confirm this by navigating to Sagemaker domain. As you can see, the Sagemaker domain has been created along with the Sagemaker user named Tochi. We can now launch a studio environment for user Tochi by clicking Studio App. And as you can see, the Sagemaker Studio app is up and running for user Tochi. And that brings us to the end of this demo. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more insightful tutorials like this. Feel free to drop any questions or video suggestions in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Bye.